The blood vessels of the body are arteries, veins, and capillaries. Each kind of blood vessel is adapted to carry out its function. The arteries carry blood away from the heart. As you might expect, they are thick-walled and muscular to cope with the high pressure of the blood that is pumped from the ventricles. The major arteries of the body also have layers of elastic tissue around them. Arteries branch into smaller arteries called arterioles. Veins are thin-walled, have few muscle fibers, and unlike arteries, they collapse when empty. Veins also have a series of valves that prevent blood from moving in the wrong direction because blood pressure in veins is low. Capillaries join to small vessels called venules that drain into veins. Capillaries have epithelial walls that are only a single cell layer in thickness. Capillaries need thin walls because that is where all exchanges of gases and nutrients, as well as removal of wastes, occurs between the bloodstream and the surrounding tissues. The network of capillaries that infiltrates a tissue is called a capillary bed. Blood is a fluid tissue with cells suspended in a fluid matrix of plasma. Plasma is made up of about 90% water, in which inorganic salts, important in maintaining the osmotic balance of the blood, are dissolved. Plasma also contains clotting factors that prevent blood from being lost through injury when blood vessels are severed. Substances are also transported in the plasma from one part of the body to another. These substances include hormones, waste products, and nutrients. The cells suspended in blood plasma fall into two groups, red blood cells and white blood cells. The white blood cells play a major role in the immune response of the body against disease and foreign cells. You'll learn about these cells elsewhere in this course. Red blood cells contain the oxygen-carrying protein hemoglobin. The structure of hemoglobin makes it very efficient at transporting oxygen, as you'll find out when we discuss the respiratory system. Now that we've examined the components of animal circulatory systems, we'll move on to look at the anatomy and physiology of the human circulatory system. The circulatory system is of vital importance in the well-being of the body. More than 1/2 of all deaths in the United States are caused by failure of the heart or blood vessels. Most circulatory disease occurs because arteries become clogged by the buildup of plaque, causing a thickening of the artery wall made up of fatty deposits. This process is called atherosclerosis. In some cases, the thickening becomes hardened by the formation of calcium deposits, a process called arteriosclerosis. Various factors add to the risk of plaque formation, including high blood pressure, cholesterol level, activity, smoking, and being overweight. Smoking is a major cause of cardiovascular disease. If you are under 50, smokers are 5 times as likely as non-smokers to die of coronary heart disease. If you stop smoking, you'll also avoid lung diseases like cancer and emphysema. If the clogged circulation affects the coronary arteries, which provide oxygen to the heart muscle, a heart attack may result. If the clogged arteries affect the blood supply to the brain, death of nervous tissue may occur, causing a stroke.